Hey guys, today we are hiking to be exact. We have a hiking trail. Well, sort of hiking, but well, it's more of walking. But there's a really peaceful walking because we're close to some waters. There's lots of anthills. There's lots of anthills. People are trying to cover them up. And there's a big ant somewhere. There's an anthill. There's lots of anthills here. And we're just hoping we can do some good walking. Yeah. How, Mom? That's a really cool anthill there. There's a snake hole, I think.
I made it.
Did you know I'm scared of snakes?
I thought you used to love snakes.
Well, I still kind of love snakes. It's just, oh my goodness, what is that?
Where?
Oh my goodness.
Where?
Do you see that, guys?
Where?
Over there in the water.
Oh, that tree?
We'll see what it is. I think it could be a tree, guys. Like, I see a pigeon or a bird.
Where?
I see a bird right
No,
there.
birds.
That's a big anthill. The bird's the bird's gone.
Let's check closer. What you are? It's a branch.
Let's see. There's branches. See that branch here? It's a.
Oh, there's like a litter right there too.
Oh my goodness, guys! Can you see that? That's a litter, guys. Heck, what is that, guy? That's a lot of litter. People like to litter. Whoa! People like to litter for some reason, guys. Huh? Oh! People like to litter for some reason, guys.
How do you spell litter?
I shouldn't say that. Yeah. I shouldn't say that. Not all people litter.
I don't litter.
Good one, Mom. She doesn't litter. She looks like Rosa from Pokemon.
Me?
Mhm.
Oh, is that a compliment?
Yeah.
Is Rosa pretty?
Yeah. Well, no, not Rosa. Hilda.
Oh man, is Hilda pretty?
Yeah. She kind of sounds like Zelda. I'm on a steep hill, guys. Who does the heck of a big ant? I fell, guys.
What are you recording?
So,
You gotta keep it straight.
yeah, like what Mom said.
Just put your finger on.
Oh, graffiti. If you can see, that's a lot of graffiti. So you be careful if you hike here.
Australia.
If you hike here, this is like where you're
You're like
hey
down.
big ants there.
Oh, those are huge ants.
We have big ants here now. We're used to them.
People eaters.
Huh?
One bit me. It just felt like a pinch.
Yeah.
But if like 12 or more bite me at the same time. Are we at the end? Yeah.
We're technically almost at the end, guys. There's some the soup. Oh my goodness. This girl has to use the toilet.
Are you good with bladder control? No. Should you turn around now?
Yeah. No, we could make
Can
it.
we make it to the